Stop. Somewhere tonight, two people are opening their first investment accounts. At the exact same time. Same age. Same salary. Same $400 per month left over after rent. One of them spends the next 6 months researching the perfect stock, watching crash predictions on YouTube, waiting for the right moment to get in. The other one buys the most boring fund in existence, sets up an automatic transfer, and forgets the app is on his phone. 30 years from now, the boring one retires with over $1 million. The smart one, who did all the homework, who read all the news, who timed all the dips, ends up with less than half of that. Same money, same market, same 30 years. And it is not because one of them picked better investments. It is because one of them barely participated in his own portfolio. This is not a video about investing. It is about getting out of your own way. Stick with me for 10 minutes. Here is the full playbook. What to do with your money in 2026. In what order? And why? The US stock market just had 3 incredible years in a row. The S&P 500 returned about 25% in 2024. Almost 18% in 2025. And as of mid-2026, it is up roughly another 11% this year. If you had been invested this whole time, you would be feeling like a genius right now. Here is where it gets interesting. US stocks are now trading at the second most expensive valuation in 140 years of recorded market history. The Shiller-Cape ratio. Long-term average. About 17. Right now. About 40.7. The only time it was ever higher was December 1999. And if you know anything about what happened to the stock market after December 1999, you understand why some very smart people are nervous. Vanguard, one of the largest investment companies on Earth, is projecting that US stocks will return somewhere between 3.5% and 5.5% per year over the next decade. Not the historical 10%. 3.5 to 5.5%. Because when you buy something expensive, your future returns tend to be lower. That is not pessimism. That is arithmetic. But here is the statistic that should permanently end the timing debate in your head. Over every single 20-year period in American stock market history, even the periods containing the Great Depression, the 1970s stagflation, the dot-com crash, 2008, and COVID, the S&P 500 has never lost money in real inflation-adjusted terms. When you include dividends, not once. The market punishes impatience and rewards stubbornness. And it has been doing this consistently for a century. Expensive markets do not mean you wait. They mean you stop gambling. If you keep your money in a regular checking account, it is dying. Slowly. Politely. With a smile. Inflation in early 2026 spiked back up to 3.8%. The average traditional savings account in America pays 0.38%. Your bank is paying you basically nothing, while everything you actually buy gets almost 4% more expensive every year. That is not saving. That is a storage fee. For the privilege of getting poor. If you have $10,000 sitting in a normal account, and inflation runs at a modest 3% for 10 years, that money will still say $10,000 on your screen. But it will only buy about $7,400 worth of stuff. You lost $2,600. No crash. No scam. No bad decision. You just stood still. Standing still is the bad decision. Compare that to what invested money does. You invest $1,000. It grows 10% this year. You have $1,100. Next year you earn 10% not on $1,000. On $1,100. Then on $1,210. Then on $1,331. The growth itself starts growing. Leave that single $1,000 alone for 30 years at 10%. It becomes roughly $17,400. You did nothing. The money did everything. Here is the order of operations. The part of this video worth screenshotting. 1. For 1K up to the employer match. Because nothing beats free money. 2. Destroy debt above 7% interest. Because nothing else guarantees you a 22% return. 3. Finish the emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. In a high-yield savings account, 3.5 to 4.5%. 4. Max out the HSA, health savings account, if eligible. Triple tax advantage. 5. Max out the Roth IRA, 7. 500 in 2026. Pay tax no. Never again. Up to $153,000 of income for a single filer. 6. Keep filling the 401k, up to $24,500. 7. Taxable brokerage account, everything beyond. If you are under 30 and not earning 6 figures. Roth and move on with your life. Do not pick individual stocks. A study analyzed every single stock since 1926. Every company. The entire history of the modern market. For out of every 7 stocks, the majority returned less over their lifetime than 1-month treasury bills. Most stocks were never worth buying. Where did all the legendary wealth come from? From a freakishly tiny minority. Just 86 companies out of tens of thousands. Produced half of all the wealth the stock market ever created. The top 4% of companies account for all of it. The other 96% combined. Matched treasury bills. Here is a dead simple 2026 starter portfolio for someone young. 60% VTI, total US market. 30% VXUS, international. 10% BND, bonds. Or, and I cannot stress this enough, just buy the Target Date Fund. Vanguard Target Retirement 2065. That is the same portfolio with self-driving features. Total cost of the portfolio. About 0.04% per year. A 1% fee on $100,000 over 30 years. Each $187,000. A quarter of your wealth. Gone not from a crash. Not from a mistake. From a line item you never looked at. Trap 1. The 1% financial advisor. 1% annually over an investing lifetime. Consumes roughly a quarter of your final wealth. Easily hundreds of thousands of dollars. In exchange for typically putting you in the same index funds. You can buy yourself in 11 minutes. Hire a fee-only fiduciary who charges by the hour. Trap 2. Whole life insurance. Pitched as an investment. It is a worse version of both. The fees are enormous. The commissions are spectacular, which is why they found you. The returns reliably lose to the boring 3-fund portfolio. Buy cheap term life insurance. Invest the difference in your index funds. Trap 3. Robo-advisors, betterment. Wealth front. Charge about 0.25% per year. To automatically do what a 0.08% target date fund does. If you need training wheels. Fine. You are paying triple the price for the same result. Trap 4. Crypto. Bitcoin hit an all-time high around 126,000 in October 2025. It is now trading around $67,000 to $71,000. down nearly half in 8 months. If you want exposure, cap it at 1 to 5% of your portfolio. And mentally classify it as speculation, not investing. Notice the pattern across all four. Every trap sells you a story about doing better. And every one mathematically guarantees you do worse. The boring plan has no salesperson. Because nobody earns a commission. When you buy tie and go take a nap. That is precisely how you know it is the right plan. $300 per month for 40 years at 7%. Becomes roughly $720,000. $500 per month, about $1.2 million. $1,000 per month, a later start. A better income. Over 30 years. About $1.1 million. In every single one of those scenarios. The majority of the final number is not money you contributed. It is growth. The market did most of the lifting. Your only job was showing up every month and refusing to flinch. I only have $50 a month. $50 per month at 7% over 40 years is still about $120,000. But more importantly, the person who automates $50 today is the person who automates $500. When the raise comes, you are not building a balance yet. You are building the reflex. At some point, maybe next year, maybe in 5 years, you will open your app and see your portfolio down 30%. The crash is not the system breaking. The crash is the system. It is the entry fee. It is the reason stocks pay 10%. And savings accounts pay 4%. Here is the protocol. And I want you to actually decide this now. While you are calm. Because you will not be capable of deciding it then. When the crash comes, you change nothing. The automatic transfer keeps running. Every paycheck now buys shares at a discount. You will brag about in a decade. You do not check the app daily. The red numbers are only real if you sell them. Write it down somewhere. When the crash comes, I do nothing on purpose. Future you at 2 a.m. scrolling headlines with sweaty hands. Needs that note from present you. It will be the highest paid sentence you ever wrote. That is it. The entire playbook. If I were starting from my first dollar in 2026. Match. Debt. Emergency fund. HSA. Roth. Index funds. Automate. Ignore. No genius required. No perfect timing. No password to a secret room. Just a sequence of boring decisions. Compounding quietly. While everyone around you chases whatever is loud this quarter. The people who got wealthy from the stock market did not start in safe years. There were no safe years. There was 2012, overvalued by 50%. There was 2020, pandemic. There was every year. With its own perfectly reasonable excuse to wait. The market has spent a century transferring money from the people who waited for certainty to the people who acted without it. You are not going to outsmart this market. And after today, you finally do not need to. You just need to outsit everybody who tries. Here is what you will do right now. 1. Hit subscribe. Because the algorithm will not show you the next video if you do not. 2. Set up an automatic payment. Tonight. 100.50. Does not matter. Just do it. 3. Send this video to one person who says, I will start when the market calms down. Tell them. The market never calms down. You just start. Because the boring guy did not know. The smart guy did not know. Now you know. See you in the next video.